today in Queenstown. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for the bus or whatever that's gonna pick me up for the Milford Sound trip today. So I'm going on the Go Orange Milford Sound trip, so hope that works out. It's freaking cold out here. I should have bought a scarf or something. It's a 4-hour drive there, so I'll do that. See how that goes. So I got on the coach. This is my boarding pass for the cruise when we get to Milford Sound.
So just doing a bit of an introduction in Maori for you. That's about it for my Maori knowledge. Got a few other little words and phrases I'll try and teach you along the way, but yeah. Turned around this way so you can see my face. You're going to be looking at the back of my head for most of today. I'm going to concentrate on driving while you look at all the beautiful scenery around, okay? Just think of me as your own personal chauffeur for the day. I'll be getting you out to Milford Sound and back. Now, before we go anywhere in a big bus in New Zealand, folks, just a couple of very quick health and safety things to go over. Most important is seatbelts. Please make sure you've all got your seatbelts on. Us Milford drivers, we're all very safe and cautious. Same can't be said for other people on the road. You might have encountered some of them while you've been here in Queenstown. Might need to put the brakes on suddenly, so yeah, those seatbelts will help out.
I guess I'll put my seatbelt
now,
on. I just realized I should have sat at the front. No, I mean I should have sat on the other side of the bus, because I think all the views will be on that side. Oh man.
So no such thing as a straight road in New Zealand, folks. Very mountainous country. Means it takes a long time to drive anywhere to see it, but we get a lot of beautiful scenery to make up for it. Feel free to tune me out if you're not interested. There's no test before I let you back on the bus at the end of the trip. And there'll also be nice long sections of road where I just shut up and let the scenery do the talking for me as well.
Wow. So apparently we got 30 minutes at Te Anua. Te Anua? I don't know if I am pronouncing it properly. Oh yeah, so apparently this cafe is really good. Hollywood Cafe. I have a big bias for steak and cheese pie, so you know, let's dig into it. Okay, so the steak and cheese pie, it was pretty salty. Not my favorite, but it was good enough. It fills me up for now. I'm glad I have this puffer jacket. You know, in Auckland I take it off often, but in Queenstown I just, you know, I just keep it on because it's freaking cold.
There's some very popular Instagram photos of people laying in the middle of the road here. Please don't do that. That's what we call Darwinism at work. If you stay out on the grass, you'll be nice and safe.
So we're out somewhere in between Te Anau and Milford Sound. Apparently it's a pretty good site, so I came out as well, taking a few pictures. It's like a bunch of snow-capped mountains. I wonder, who cuts all these grass? That's something I wonder every time. I just don't know who cuts these. Why am I interested in the most dumbest things? I don't know. So we stopped by another place called Mirror Lakes. Mirror Lakes is apparently it's calm water that gives a reflection of the mountains. So as you can see, there's a bit of, it's not that calm at the moment, but you can see a reflection of the mountains here. So that's exactly why it's called the Mirror Lakes. So there it is, Mirror Lakes. It's a pretty good reflection of the mountains right there. So here's another good reflection of the mountains. Pretty good. Back on the bus we go.
So during summer, when we get a couple of weeks of really heavy rainfall, those waterfalls can be hitting the side of the bus.
That's a Kia. Oh man, these birds are so funny.
Western end of the tunnel coming up. One of my favourite views in New Zealand here. Does not get much better than this, folks.
Wow. We got to Milford Sound. It's a pretty nice place. I'm just walking to the building that they told me to go to, so let me do that first. 3, 2, 1.
Bye!
Pretty good, huh? Pretty good. So, this is Milford Sound. I'm going on my cruise. It's an orange boat because I'm traveling with Go Orange, as you know. It would be this one. Go Orange. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
See that where the fruit is?
Howdy y'all. Milford Marina. So our boat is called the Milford Haven. Yeah, because that's apparently the original name for Milford Sounds. But you know, the valley is carved out by a river, so it's called a sound. Pretty good weather. 야, 이게 힐링이 아니면 뭐가 힐링이냐? This is what you call healing. Proper healing, guys. Proper healing. Like, that's what I'm talking about, mate. Some beer. Some fish and chips coming soon. Number 3. And a view like this. My life is sorted, man. My life is sorted. Bye bye. Ooh. Bye bye. Is there water droplets on my camera lens? Man, wait, give me a sec. I just had a shower underneath the waterfall. It got a bit wet, the camera lens got wet, my glasses got wet, but nothing major, so it was pretty good. Yeah, I don't even know if you hear me, but oh well. Stop recording. Wow.
So you'll get a better view as we're coming out when we're going in. And a little bit of entertainment on the way out. When we start into the tunnel, I'll switch the screens on in the bus. There's a big one at the
Hiya, so I just got back into Queenstown, heading back to my, what do you call it? My hostel, yeah. So let me just get back first. Yeah, just in the elevator, gonna go down to Fergbaker and Mrs Ferg to get some feed. I don't have dinner, so let's do that. So we're pretty much here. It's only like a 3-minute walk from the hostel, I think. Probably not even 3 minutes. But you can see there's the gelato and there's the bakery, and the next one is the Fergbaker. But we're gonna go to the bakery first. So I've been here before and you probably would have seen it, but I'm gonna just get myself a Boston cream. This is what you get, the famous Boston cream.
No, that wasn't it.
Trying out the double espresso and the pineapple. That's a sorbet. So I'm pretty much done for the day, so I'm going to finish off the vlog here. So thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys around. Okay.